Hi everyone. In this video I will explain how you can check who might be looking at your Instagram profile often. Open the Instagram app on your phone and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, look in the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down through the menu until you see the option that says Account Type and Tools. Tap on that option and then choose Switch to Professional Account. Follow the steps on the screen to complete this change. After you have switched to a professional account, go back to your profile and post something new. You can post a photo, a video, or even a reel. Once your post is published, open it by tapping on it. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the three dots. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says View Insights. On this screen, you will see more detailed information about your post. You can check how many people viewed it, who commented on it, and who liked it. You can also look at profile activity, which shows information like how many people visited your profile after seeing your post and how many people followed you. By looking closely at these insights, you can notice which accounts are repeatedly checking your content. If the same person is always liking, commenting, or appearing in the activity, it usually means they are paying extra attention to your profile. This can help you identify people who are watching you more often than others. Thanks for watching.